How to fix ChatGPT not working easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT not working. First, all you need to do, just restart your PC, click restart and then open your browser. Now go to history and then click clear browsing data. Now just select all time and select select all of those and select browsing history and click clear data. And now close your browser and then just if that doesn't fix it, close your browser if that doesn't fix your problem, and then try another browser like Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox or something like that. Right click on this 3 points and then go to your history and clear it and try again. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.